respected him more because of it. You watch. He beats this rap, he'll be kissing his ass more than ever.
First time I saw the boss, I thought, you know?
What? He was out of shape? Yeah, a lot of people.
Johnny, that's...
No snoring now.
What the hell was that? Everyone down! He's gonna throw it!
Regret that. I'll teach you some respect.
Get down here and fight like a man!
You're done now.
No! Got something for you. Jump down, I'll go easy on you.
Blow your head off for that. Grenade! Spider-Man, show him who he's expecting.
Boss wants your head.
You got Davey!
This wrap things up.
Start!
Gonna crush your skull! Come on! That's not fair!
Flank him!
What are we supposed to do? Get out of the way!
I'll get him for you.
More guys? Okay, form an orderly line. I promise I'll arrest everyone.
You got Davey!
Enough! Have some of this! Stand down! Back him down! Oh crap! Look out! Got something for you.
Regret that. You're gonna have a bad day.
Get back! Got a drone? You should have stayed in bed. What is that? Like that Spider-Man?
It's sad that when I see a mob rushing toward me, I assume they want to kill me. But they always do.
I'll get him.
Spider-Man. Every worker assigned to that site reported winning big in Atlantic City recently.
Quick and dirty way to launder money. Could be where Fisk keeps his cash these days.
We shut it down, we'll really put the squeeze on it. I'm working on a warrant.
Way ahead of you.
Let him get you airborne! Enough with these toys already!
Reinforcements! Great! I was getting kind of sick of these other guys.
Get down! Rats, look out! He got him! Boss wants your head! blow your brains. You got Davey!
More of them! Find someone who cares about you like Willie's guys care about getting kicked in the face, and you'll be golden!
Mr. Fisk says hi! Get out of the way! How do you like that, Spider-Man?
Hope you got insurance.
I can't punch him if he's in the air! Get him! Come on, hit him! Don't let him web you! You're gonna have a bad day! Oh shit! Got a present for you! You're done! The hell? Blow your head off, Pat! How did he do that? The hell is that drone thing? He's getting weaker. Don't let him web you.
You shouldn't have messed with Kingpin. Your people won't have any problems here now.
And Wilson Fisk's problems just keep adding up. Nice going.
I'm flying pretty close to blind. Ought to look for towers to activate.